Setting up your Etsy shop after signing up is an important step to start selling your products. Follow these steps to complete your setup effectively. Step 1. Choose your shop name. Select a unique name for your shop that reflects your brand and product. Make sure it adheres to Etsy's guidelines and is easy to remember. Step 2. Set up your shop preferences. Choose your shop language, country, and currency. These preferences will help Etsy tailor your shop experience and ensure customers can easily understand your listings. Step 3. Create your listings. Add products to your shop by creating listings. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, pricing, and shipping information. Ensure your listings are clear and appealing to potential buyers. Step 4. Set up payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Configure shipping options. Set up your shipping policies, including rates, processing times, and shipping destinations. This information is crucial for customers to know when they can expect their orders. Once you have completed these steps, your Etsy shop will be ready for customers. Take the time to promote your shop and engage with the audience to drive sales. Good luck!